Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be baking cupcakes. I'm going to be putting the ingredients in the description below. So those are the things that you'll need. So we are going to use 1 cup of sugar, any type of sugar that you have, and 1 cup of margarine. You can use butter or any brand, Blue Band, any brand that you prefer. I prefer Prestige because it is light. So you're going to mix the margarine and the sugar together. Now this takes a lot of time if you're doing it by hand like me. So if you have a mixer, please go ahead and do that. But since I was doing it manually, it takes a lot of time. You just need to be consistent with it until it is all mixed. And now that it is mixed into a batter, I'm going to start adding my eggs one at a time. I'll be using 4 eggs, okay, 4 large eggs. So you put 1 egg at a time while mixing. So guys, my butter is now ready. I've mixed the eggs well, so I'm going to be adding milk. You can use milk or water. You use whatever you have on hand. Milk just gives them a better flavor. So at this point, we are going to be adding 1 part milk, 1 part flour. Okay, so I'm going to use flour. My flour already has the baking powder in it. Okay, I mixed baking powder and the flour. So I'm going to add milk like I've shown you, and then flour, then milk, then flour. I have to end with flour. Okay, yeah. So guys, let me know what kind of content you want to see on my channel, and please subscribe, like, leave me a comment. I would really love that. So guys, you have to really be patient when you're mixing the butter, and don't like over mix the dough. Don't use a lot of energy to beat it up. You just use light swirls, like just lightly. Okay, you don't use a lot of energy, because when you do that, your cake is going to be so dense and heavy, and that's not a consistency we are looking for. At this point, my oven was already warming up. I was prepping my oven. You can call it preheating, because I was done with this. I'll also be adding my flavor. I chose the vanilla flavor, but you can choose lemon, strawberry, whatever you prefer. Okay, yeah, so I'm just going to put like 1 teaspoon, but you can put as much as you want. I'm going to prep my trays with vegetable oil and flour. I'm going to brush it with vegetable oil, and then I'll put spread flour on it. But if you have those cupcake peppers, you can definitely use that. So don't overfill the trays, because we have to leave room for the cupcakes to rise. So you have to like fill it halfway or quarter way to give the cupcakes that shape, and you don't want them to overflow. Bake them at 180 degrees for 15 minutes and our cupcakes will be ready. Guys, look at that. Look at the cupcakes. And guys, these were so fluffy, they were light, they were sweet, they were not dense. You should definitely try this recipe. I would love to hear your reviews trying out this recipe. It is really good for kids snacks, those you can pack when they're going to school, breakfast, or even birthdays. Thank you guys for watching. I will definitely see you on the next one. Please subscribe, like. Yeah, bye.